let's talk about this Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, the best controller on planet Earth. Let's switch to it right now. So, this is it right here. I use this controller to play on my PC and on my phone, and when I can get my hands on an Xbox Series X, I'm going to use this controller as well. There was a question in chat a moment ago, what's up with that wood face on there? Look, this is just an Elite Series 2 controller, and there's a bunch of different faceplates that you can add to these controllers, or you can purchase different options, but the default one is absolutely fantastic. And what's really cool about the Elite Series 2 controller is that you can switch out all of the buttons. Check this out, guys. So depending on how you want your movement to be, you can take off the control stick here, and you can get a long control stick, a short control stick, a medium control stick for your movement left control stick here, which is awesome. I like having a short one on the left because it's just for movement, right? And so I just want that to be shorter so I can quickly sprint or quickly move full speed, etc. with this controller. Then with the aiming control stick, the right one, I like having a super long version of it so that I can have better aiming control. And the top of these little buttons have little rubber grippies for your thumbs that can help you. And look, they just pop right on there, magnetized. Click, they just pop right in there, which is amazing.
Wow.
I mean, it's so premium, it's so good. Then on the D-pad, you can swap out the D-pad. I like using the traditional old school D-pad, like from your NES controller, right? They also have a hex star-shaped one that you can swap in there as well, all of which comes in the kit with the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, which is great. One of the updates that came with the Series 2 controller is it's Bluetooth compatible. So I mentioned a moment ago that you can use it with your phone. You absolutely can. So you can pair this up with your phone, either Android or iOS, and you can have it pair up with any device now, which is amazing. And it also works with Xbox wireless adapters too. So it basically can connect in every possible way to your machine, which is great. Another thing about this controller that I really adore, and for those of you that are maybe more hardcore gamers, as you can see, there's a number of trigger slots on the back of the controller. You can plug in silver triggers on the back of the controller. Let me just pull up this image version of it that you're pulling on the screen here, Perrin, just so you can zoom in on that. Yeah, let's zoom in on that and show it. See these triggers on the back of the controller back here? You can program these triggers that you see back here to have it be button combinations or any button you want. So not only do you have access to the normal triggers on your controller, but you have ones on the back of your controller that your middle finger and your ring finger and your pinky finger can reach back there, giving you even more control. A lot of folks out there, you know, obviously they get an advantage, let's say, on mouse and keyboard because they can use so many freaking fingers to control all of the different hotkeys and all of the different functions of a game, whereas you, with a controller on console or whatever, don't have that opportunity. With the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, you have that opportunity by adding 4 additional buttons onto the back of the controller, which is great. And the last feature I'd want to tell you guys about with this controller that I love is that it is rechargeable. So you don't have to add a battery pack to it or anything like that, like you had to do in previous series of the Xbox Elite controller. This one has a battery built in that is rechargeable, built right in. And do you mind going to that front-facing shot there, Perrin, of the controller? This is what I was talking about a moment ago with the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. You see that kind of hex-shaped D-pad right there? You can swap that in and out or use the traditional D-pad I was talking about a moment ago, which is awesome. So totally customizable, and you see the grips. I'm zooming in on that. You see those grips, dude? For those of you out there that have big hands, your hands get sweaty while you're gaming, which is like, I don't know, half of the guys out there, let's be honest.
Yeah, that's pretty common.
Those grips help out so much. So this is why I only play using the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. It is a premium price for a premium product, and anybody who has big hands, this is what's up. I have giant freaking hands. Like it should be illegal how large my hands are. And this controller is large enough and heavy enough for me to feel comfortable with this thing in my hands, and I don't feel like I'm gonna break it. Whereas other controllers, I feel like a little too small, and they just ergonomically are not good for people that have big hands. That's the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, and I highly recommend picking this up. Also for the durability of the controller. It's just built heavier duty. It's built more premium than other controllers on the market. You pay a little bit more, but you get a lot more value in return. Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.